welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about Microsoft Word, and in Microsoft Word today we will learn about insert menu. Insert menu, we are getting here cover page, blank page, page break, table, picture, clip art, and so many things are given here. These all things are called ribbons under insert section, under insert menu. Firstly we will cover page. We'll cover up cover page, and as I am clicking on this one, it is showing different type of cover page. Likewise, we are watching here different type of color pages. Color cover pages are being shown here. I'm clicking on this one. Like years, I'm clicking 2022. Now it is showing automatically. Now, type the company name. It's showing BK Sharma already here, and you can type your documents title here, and you can give the description in the bottom of this document title. And from here your actual page is being started, from where you can type your document. You can type so many things. You can create here your documents, you can give here the shapes of your documents. Whatever you are going to do, you can simply do here. Now I'm clicking here equal to rand bracket open bracket close, and I'm pressing here enter key. I'm getting here by default Microsoft Word is giving here a paragraph. It does not ask you to type your whole document. Simply you can enter and is equal to rand bracket open bracket close. Now we got here some another things. As much as you want to type, you can simply type here, or you do not wish to type your document, you can use this code is equal to rand bracket open and bracket close, and you will press enter button. You will press enter. Now the document is increasing there. Now by pressing from keyboard Ctrl Z, I am just reducing the paragraph. So this is called cover page. In some kind of you want to change the cover page, you can simply change the cover page by pressing this cover page option, and now we can change the cover page style here. Now the cover page style is being changed here, but our document is remain same there. It does not ask you to change anything there in a larger way. You can type your document as a company name, your document title, as we have studied in earlier section, and you can change the year of the document, and you can type the company address here. Now in next section we are going to study about blank page. Blank page means that the page will be totally blank. Now this page is having some documents there, and in next page, as I'm clicking on blank page, it is showing a complete blank page. Now you can see a complete blank page means that page third or four, where in the bottom of this left side of this window, where page third of four is showing here third page number. We are in third page number, and third page number is totally blank. If I type here any documents, hello, if I type here hello, only hello, and increasing the size of this one, this is not a blank. This page is having some documents. This page is having some documents. Again I am clicking on blank page. Now we can watch here blank, complete blank page. Nothing is being changed there. Why is it showing? Because we got something there in the paragraph of these documents. That's why this document is in a blank page, and now nothing is being shown in our third and in our fourth section. In our fourth page, nothing is being changed there. Now I'm selecting this one, and pressing backspace, we can simply delete the document as per our need. Next, in next order, I'm just selecting these documents, Control C, by pressing Control C and pressing enter and Control V. Again Control V. As much you want to increase the document, as you can press there Control V by holding your Control and V from your keyboard. Suppose that you want to break the pages, means that you do not wish to see here any longer any type of documents anymore here. You will click on page break. You can see the pages are being broken here, and we are getting some spaces in upper page. This is called page break. Page break means, again I'm pressing Control Z. Control Z means that undo the document you did earlier. It is showing the page break. Again I'm just pressing here the arrow. The arrow is blinking here. You can see here the arrow is blinking here. Page break. Now the document is being separated from there. Again I'm pressing Control Z. This is the use of page break. Now in next order we will study about table. As we have studied in our previous section, in previous video about table, but in this video too we will study about that things. Table creation. Table creation let you create automatically. It let you create automatically where your cursor is rotating, where cursor is blinking, you can create from there. Otherwise you want to create your table from a blank space, so simply you can create this one. Watch. Now you can increase and decrease the size of that things as per your need. The blinking arrow, you want to change the color of this blinking arrow box. There is an option which is a setting, and you can change the color of that things. Again you can change the color of that things. You want to change the color of everything, you can change. Wherever you want to change, you can simply change. Suppose that you want to change the whole format of these documents of this table, simply you can change by pressing the above ribbon option. Now as you can see here, the changes are being shown here. Already the given documents is already shown here. It is by default in Microsoft Word. It does not ask you to create it, but if you wish to create it by itself, you can simply create that things. It does not ask you to write it by yourself. You can type and you can write whatever you want to do there. Now I'm just clicking backspace. Now that table is gone there. Again in insert menu, if you wish to insert any picture, so definitely you can create and you can insert your pictures, but it will be inserted there automatically where your cursor is blinking. Suppose that your cursor is blinking here in the last of that document, the picture will be inserted there too, and you can increase or decrease the size of that picture. You can increase or decrease the size of that picture. Now I'm just deleting this one and going to show you in the passage you can insert your picture. The picture you want to insert, by pressing that one we can insert this picture. Now go to the insert section and insert this one, and you can minimize or maximize as per your convenient the size you wish, the size you prefer. You can use that things. Here we can see different type of images, border and images outlines are being shown there. We can see if you wish to use their border, we can use there, or in oval shape with a shadow we can use there, and again different type of things are also there, we can use there. So many things are already there. we can use. Suppose that I took this one oval shape and try to do something border in border color. I want to use their border color. I can use there, and of course it is really very easy and peaceful idea where you can insert and you can decorate your picture and your document too. This is for your study purpose, but for your professional and for your job you can do whatever you want to go there. You want to uh, click and you want to design the documents, you can simply do that things. Like I change this one. Suppose in this box I want to change some pictures. So I will go to that section. Where did I click? I click on this one, change picture. Change picture. Now click insert, and you can increase or decrease the size of that picture simply. In change picture, you can add another, you can insert another things, but you do not want to click on insert section. So what will you do? You will click on that image twice. Now we can see, and we can change the border and the outline of that picture as per our need. Now we can see here clearly the images are being changed there and the outline is also being changed there. Reset picture means that, what does it ask? Reset picture means when you insert the picture in the primary order, it will go to that section and will let you create that picture again. Now we can see reset picture. Now we can see. Again I click on that reset picture, we can see. Again I click on that reset picture, we can see. The changes we are making there is also very good. Artistic. Color means that we can use the color of that things in a different type of color. Now we can see. I'm just going to use this one. Now I deleted that one and I inserted the picture again. I inserted the picture again and we can see color. Now the color is also being changed there. It is being added there. So that's why we will use something Control C, and now I just press on the Control B. I selected that picture again and click on that insert menu. Insert. Now I just click on that one. You can see different type of changes. You can see different type of changes. Correction means that you can also correct your image. In that option we can see different type of options are being shown there. Artistic effect, we can also put this image in artistic forms. We can simply click on that. Suppose you want to uh, delete the background of this thing. Suppose you want to delete this one, so there is an option remove background. Remove background, you can increase the size of this one and simply you can click on this keep changes. Now the background is gone. Background is gone. How can we show? By pressing wrap text in front of text and wherever you want to drag you can see the background is gone. Before deleting the background it was like that. It was like that. If I just click on that one, if I just click on that one and I just click on in front of text, we can see the bottom side of that text is hidden. Why? Because of this background. If I just click on remove background, we can see that background, when we remove the background we can see our images clearly. Now we can see our images clearly and also we can see the image of the font of this uh, document we can see. If you wish to put this back in a back side, if you wish to put this back side now, this document is in the back of this document. This image is in the back of document. Wherever we want to navigate this picture, we can simply navigate this picture, and we can simply insert this picture. And by this way, we can create a different type of images. We study this one in insert section, how to insert picture, and in next order we will study about how to use clip art. Now as I am clicking here clip art, and I press here sorry cow. As I click here cow and click on that go, now the image of cow is being shown there. It is by default. We can click here car. Now press enter. The image of car is also being shown there. Image of car. Now select this one by pressing Ctrl key, enter, and I deleted that things. We study about that things. Clip art. Clip art let you search the document which is already inserted, which is already in Microsoft Word. We can use that things by pressing that things. But make it sure all media must be clear there. If you just do anything, any another changes, it will take another things. So we are just closing these things. In next order, we have a very good things by which we can create our documents in very peaceful order. And the document you want to see, you have ever dreamed to show your presentation, to show your documents, to show your resume. This let you create a very fantastic decoration, very fantastic design. Means that I just click on that rectangle tool. Rectangle tool, it is giving here to access to this color. Now I'm just clicking on this one. Now the changes are being shown here. We can simply do the things as per our need, or save field. We are, if you are going to click on the save field, simply we can click on this one. Now I just took this color, and I just go to decrease the size of these things. Simply you can, if this is not showing, suppose that if this is not showing, in order to that, what will you do? If it is not being rotated anywhere, wherever you want to put the document, what will you do? You will click this document, this shape, for 2 times. Twice you will click it on this document twice, and you will go to that wrap text section, and you will click anyone. Like just I'm taking here in front of text. Now I just click on in front of text, and simply I can navigate this one wherever I want to just use this. In few cases, if I feel to insert any image, so simply I can insert your image by going in a picture section, and I can insert your image. Now the picture inserted in this boxes. This one is called insert. In insert menu we study about that things, save. Now again I'm taking here oval shape. Now oval shape, I'll just tell you how to create a perfect circle, how to create a perfect oval shape. Just after this one, after this step, I will tell you that how to use that things. Now I can also use that things, or if I wish to use any picture, I can also use there a picture. Now we can see a picture is also inserted in this box. So in next order, if I wish to draw a complete circle, so in shape section we will click on that, and by pressing shift key we will drag our mouse down. Now we got that a complete circle is also there, and simply we can use in this one a picture too. Now we can see, and in this one we can see the outline of that, the width of that outline, we can also change. The color of that outline, we can also change. Or in dashes form, if you just wish to put the outline in dashes form, we can also use in dashes form. Likewise, we can use this picture too. So in shape, we can change the style of this picture. To this picture, if you wish to make it in a 3D form, now this picture is in 3D reflection form. Now in 3D reflection form, and if you do not wish to use this picture in 3D form, we can use this one. We can use this picture glow. If I just put it in a glow form, now the glow is in also working there properly. And if you wish to use the size of that glow, you can also use a transparency. If you do not wish to use their transparency, you can use, I put here 0% and inserted here another color. Now we can see, and I can also decrease the size of that outline color. We can also use. We can also use to use the sad color of that things. It's a very fantastic things you can use and you can create. In insert menu, we study about shapes. Now I just click on that, and by pressing delete button from keyboard, I just delete this one. Now I just delete it, and of course I selected this one, and I just deleted that things. Shape menu, we study these things. Suppose that you do not wish to use any things like rectangle, oval shape, any type of things you do not wish to use. There is an option by which we can use the things, and we can create as per our convenient. And if you press this one twice, there is an option edit shape, and in edit point we can use their edit points, different types of images are also appearing there. Now we can see and we can change the images. We can change the images wherever we want to see that things. Now we got the changes of that image, and if I just click on that picture section and click on that things, now we can see. Again, if I click on this edit point, we can increase the size of that things. Now we can see. In few cases, if you wish to change the shape, edit shape, we can use the shape style. Also, the shape style is also being changed there. We can use that things. We can increase and decrease the size of that cutting corner by pressing this yellow color. By pressing this yellow color, you can simply watch this one. There is a yellow color. We can decrease and increase the size of that corner, the cutting corner. Now I selected that one. This is a rectangle of square shape, and now I just decrease that things. Wow, very pretty. We can change the image frame. Now I selected and I deleted that things. In image, in insert, in shape, we have so many things like plus, minus. In plus section, you want to use a plus section and want to insert any image, of course you can insert your image. Now we can use insert, and now, and you do not wish to use any outline, you can click on shape outline, and you can click on no outline is gone from there. And suppose you wish to maximize the width of that plus things, you can, or you want to decrease the size of that things, you can also decrease the size of these things by pressing this one. And one more things I want to tell you that if you just rotate this one, how will you rotate? To this option, as you are just navigating your mouse pointer, the mouse pointer is being changed in circular form. You can change, and you can also press by pressing Control D. You can take a copy to. You can take a copy by pressing Control D. You can take a complete same type of copy. Now I just click on that. 3 copies are there. We can see it here. Now I just click on that things and deleted that one. Insert menu, we study about shapes and so many things. In next order we will study about smart art. What is the use of smart art? Smart art let you create a very design and useful things, like as I click this one, if I just click this one, or any things if you wish to create, like I just put here PPT, Excel, Word, whatever you want to just click on that, you can simply click on that things. Okay, I just took that things only for study purpose, and you can do whatever you want to click on that. I just click on that things, and I just click on that things, and I can just make the changes from here. Change color, I can change here. Different type of changes are also being shown there, and the size of that things in a 3D form. Again, if I just click on that things, now we can see very fantastic things we can do in the reset graphic. Now if I just click on the reset graphic, we can see that our graphic is also changed. Now I just took this one, and it is a really very pretty thing which I am going to take them. This is the use of smart art. In smart art, we can use a circle. Now I just took that things in a circular form, and you can insert your text here, whatever you are going to insert, and you can make the changes as per your convenient. You can make the changes here. Now as I am just going to click on this all option, so many options are already provided by this Microsoft Word, which can be used wherever we want to use this one. Now just I just going to delete this one. In insert, there is an option is screenshot. Screenshot means that by pressing this one we can take a screenshot, but right now we are not going to click this one. Hyperlink means that what is the use of hyperlink? Hyperlinks means it will navigate you to towards any another documents where you want to go, or the document you want to show to your uh, visitors, to your friends, or to whomsoever you want to show that things. So I just click on that things, but before that I just selected on the insert tab. I just selected these things and uh, click on that hyperlink, and from document I click on desktop and put there wallpaper. And if I wish to show this image, now we can see, if I just click if I just press control button, we can see there is a an image. The cursor is being changed as a palm, like as a navigator, someone is navigating to anything, like you can see. If I just press control button, that's that things is it is being changed there. If I just click this one now, if I just click this one, this image is showing there. This is called hyperlink. If I just click when you create a picture, and I'm going to use it as a hyperlink, and from desktop wallpaper, and going to take this picture, and if I just click control button from our keyboard, and I'm going to press a left button from mouse, now we can see the image is showing there. This is called hyperlink. So in next order we will study about header and footer. Footer, what is the use of header and footer? Header means that it will show on the upper side of that document where you want to see anything, whatever you are going to do, you can use there. Again, insert menu, and in header we can see like this one, document title. If I just going to click on document title, document title means that my doc in 2002, it is being shown there. And if I just click anything like these whole documents, if I just select and going to paste the whole documents, you can see in next page it is coming automatically. It does not ask you to type that things there. As much as you can, as many pages you can insert. This is the use of header. In insert section, I'm going to take that things footer. In footer option, I just go to use the so many things are being shown there. We can use like I'm going to take their page option. Only page option. Page 1, page 2, page 4. Now we are in page 4 option. Page 4. Now page 4. And why is it showing page 4 and there it is showing page 5 or 5? Because first page we took here as a cover page. As we have studied in insert section, cover page, so it is showing here. So our computer is taking that page 2 as a page. So that's why our document is showing a header, footer is showing page number 4, but this document page is showing the page 5 of 5. It does not matter. So we can work there simply. Text box is also a things in which this video is being longer, so don't worry. Stay with us, and I'm going to show you one by one option. Text page number is also, where do you want to see your page number? In the middle of this one, in the upper size, in the bottom size, in the margin, where you want to show current position, where you want to show that things. Means I'm going to take that page option in the upper size. Now page number 4 is being shown there. The upper size it is also showing, and the bottom side it is also being shown there. I have closed that things, and when do that insert section, and click on that text box. Text box let you create your imagination. The document you want to create here, you can. The document you want to create, you can simply create over here. And you can also make it changes, like you can increase the size, you can use the color of this document, and you can also use as highlighter, you can use bold, italic, underline, bold, italic, and underline too. For right now, we study text box, and in word art, it is also very useful things. In word art, we are just going to click this one, word art. Your text here, I drag it down. Hello. I just put there hello, and you can increase or decrease the size of this like by going into home menu, and you can increase or decrease the size, and you can drag the mouse. You can colorize this one by going in format section, and you can change the things you want to, and also you want to make some changes in this text box. So text field is also there, which can be like this one, text outline. If you do not wish to use the text outline, you can simply use that no outline. Otherwise you want to use their text outline, so you can simply take that things, or you can take that weight of that outline. Now it is pretty good. Today we study about these things, and in last we will study few contents are there. Date and time. It is showing our computer date and time 25th October. Now I'm going to delete the whole documents. Date and time. Date and time is also being shown there, and we can increase the size of these things now, and you can use underline, italic, whatever we are going to take the things. Now just click that things. This is the use of date and time, and in equation we can use here mathematical formula like just click on this, and going to take this one, x upon y, and now I just press right arrow and press plus, and again I took there 4 square. Now 4 square is equal to, now is equal to 2 plus 3. Now we can see, and we can click it here, and change to inline. Now we can see here these arithmetical sign are also being shown here, which can be used as per your convenient. And in insert menu we study their things. And what is the symbols are also the content you are going to type there. Suppose that I just put here how are you, and I don't know how to insert question mark. So by clicking symbol and more symbol, we can see here, question mark. You want to use a question mark, now go to that option in English. uh, Going to show you here. Here we can see, and we can insert here a question mark like here. Now I inserted here question mark. This is the use of symbols. So many things are here, and also we can use here the things we want to use. This is in a Krutide font, and also in different fonts style we can use there. So for today, thank you for watching the video. Always stay with us, and subscribe our channel. I think that we will study so many things in a proper order, and you all guys are really very best guys for me. Thank you for watching this video.